Let's be clear, there's no news from Google और आज जुलाई 18, 2025 को हम ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. YouTube and Google have not released any specific numbers about how many videos or channels have been demonetized under the new AI content policy on slops. This is a policy-driven quality reset, not कोई random censorship. So हम expect कर रहे हैं the impact to be broad. तो मैंने कहा कि थोड़ा research करते हैं. Did anything actually happen? नमस्ते दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू एआई बेसिक्स, जहां हम एआई के नए ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स को सिंपल रिलेटेबल लैंग्वेज में समझते हैं. मैं हूं सुकीर्ति गुप्ता. आई हैव ओवर 30 years of experience in media and tech. और आज का टॉपिक बहुत गर्म है. Today we are talking about the decision of Google and the non-monetization of AI slop content. ये slop क्या है? That stands for spammy, low quality, overproduced and or programmatic content. तो क्या हुआ था? एक बहुत बड़ा अपडेट आया था जुलाई 15, 2025 को. YouTube एंड Google ने अपने मोनेटाइजेशन एंड कंटेंट रैंकिंग पॉलिसीज को अपडेट किया. Why? They wanted to target and restrict this so-called AI slop. This makes channels that are publishing reused, programmatic, or minimal effort content now largely ineligible for monetization through YouTube's partner programs or other Google advertising services. This update is intended to curb the proliferation of slop. हाँ, ये word slop सुन के मैं भी तंग आ गई हूँ. That has been overwhelming platforms and undermining user trust and add little value. तो क्या सुन रहे हैं? Reddit के threads हैं, creator reactions हैं, काफी uncertainty है. Some identify कर रहे हैं there are some specific channels that have lost monetization. But again, there have been no platform-wide figures available. एक DigiD की story आई थी on July 18 that quotes insiders saying the numbers of channels being terminated is kind of insane, but offers no quantitative data. But ये उनकी policy के साथ aligned है that they want to focus on original and authentic material. Let's be clear, the enforcement is primarily aimed at demonetizing, not necessarily deplatforming creators or sites pushing such content. So क्यों ये सब हो रहा है? आपने नोटिस किया होगा YouTube पर कंटेंट बोरिंग हो गई है. There are a lot of robotic reels, there are a lot of robotic voiceovers, faceless videos, fake news and instant gyan that feels hollow. Every second there are thousands of new AI generated videos. Every click though, same music, same voice, same avatar. Turns out YouTube noticed too and finally said, enough, enough, enough. No more money for AI slop. And जब मैं सोच रही थी मे बी मैं अपना अवतार बनाती हूँ, बस वही मोमेंट था YouTube ने कहा not so fast, Sukirti is out. So what will the new policy do? It will demonetize videos that are AI generated, mass produced and low effort or lack originality and human creativity. तो आप अगर सिर्फ ChatGPT से कॉपी पेस्ट करके अपना स्क्रिप्ट बना रहे हैं, वो एक फेसलेस स्क्रिप्ट है बिना सोचे समझे, तो आपका पैसा क्या? ये AI slop का मतलब यही होता है. लो क्वालिटी ऑटो जनरेटेड कंटेंट विद जीरो ओरिजिनलिटी और ह्यूमन टच. बस क्वांटिटी क्वांटिटी क्वांटिटी. ये एक बहुत अच्छा तरीका है क्वांटिटी बढ़ाने का. AI में कंटेंट बहुत फास्ट और ऑटोमेटेड तरीके से प्रोड्यूस हो सकती है. लेट्स गो थ्रू सम नंबर्स. Did you realize that in the last 18 months, 15 billion AI generated images, most of them were fake. There were tons of celebrity scandals, politician deepfakes, लेकिन लगता रियल है और असली में नहीं होता. सर्च रिजल्ट्स में भी बहुत सारे फेक हिस्ट्री के इवेंट्स दिखाए जा रहे हैं. और क्या ये सब हो रहा है? सबसे फनी एग्जाम्पल तो यही था कि गूगल का एक ओवरव्यू आया जिसने कहा कि हाउ डू यू कीप चीज फ्रॉम स्लाइडिंग ऑफ योर पिज्जा. You know what it suggested? It said, try to add non-toxic glue to the sauce. Yes, glue in food. Wow, funny, but you know what? This is happening in real life. This is what happens when content is pumped out with no real-world understanding. तो कौन-कौन affect होगा? A lot of these faceless explainer channels, AI script readers with no editing or no personality, auto-generated listicle with and meme videos, synthetic news anchors with AI avatars. People that are still safe, people actually still want real people, real stories, and accountable content, especially when it comes to news. Creators who write their own script, yes, you can use ChatGPT to help you. They share their opinions. ये दिखाते हैं कि असली insight क्या है. In short, if you are present in your content, like I'm making sure I am, your thoughts, your voice, your editing, you're safe. VTubers, these are these virtual YouTubers using their own voice and performance, these are also safe. अगर आपका अवतार बस AI स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ता है तो possibly आपका monetization गया. But if you're the one behind the script, voice or performance, you're a creator. So continue to use AI as a helper, not as a substitute. Why? Why is YouTube doing this? Why this major move? सब कुछ तो AI की तरफ जा रहा है, तो अब हम क्यों यूजर जनरेटेड कंटेंट में वापस जा रहे हैं? 3 बड़े रीजंस हैं. एक तो है यूजर फटीग. व्यूअर्स बहुत कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, सेम वॉइस सेम फॉर्मेट, कोई सोल नहीं. बहुत सारा नंबर 2 पे है मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन, फेक पॉलिटिकल स्पीचेस आ रही हैं, कौन से स्कैम्स हैं, AI जनरेटेड होक्सेस हो. And number 3, I probably believe this is the biggest one, advertiser pressure. Brands do not want their ads next to junk content. तो YouTube ने भी बोला, you know what, it's time to clean up. But ये कैसे detect करेंगे? How will YouTube detect AI slop? There are 2 ways. They will use AI and they will also use human reviewers. They will do a lot of analysis of voice patterns, editing quality, and content structure. Repetition, generic output, and lack of originality are going to be big red flags. So what can you do now? If you are a creator, be original, be human, and be useful. Think, script, and add your own unique voice. Show your face, show your voice, give a real perspective. Be useful, yaar. Entertain karo, inform karo, या inspire karo. Don't just post for volume. एक अच्छा thoughtful video is much bigger than a 10 soulless uploads. AI को use करो, पर एक helper की तरह, एक assistant की तरह, अपने ideas और opinion को लाओ. YouTube का message simple है, real creators deserve real rewards. So if you're building a channel, show up. Don't hide behind the tools, shine with them. We did a quality check on this video. This episode is 100% safe from demonetization according to ChatGPT, since it is fully written from scratch, delivered by a human host, contains original commentary, insight, humor, and example. And number 4, it educates about AI, misinformation, and responsible content creation. The verdict from ChatGPT, I'm good to go.